Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how to fix TikTok search not showing videos. So first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is still the same for the first part. So let's get on it. So if you tried to search on TikTok or search a keyword on TikTok, and just like here, for example, I search on flower, and as you can see here on my screen, I have some videos uh, that is available or visible on my screen since I search on a keyword right here on my search bar. But if this is not the case for you and you cannot see any video after you search a specific keyword on your search bar, what you can do is to go to your profile right here, tap onto your profile, and then tap onto the three horizontal lines on the upper right part of the screen, and then go to your settings privacy. Just scroll down, and what we are going to do right here is to log out of your account, and then after logging out, you'll need to log right back in and see if that fixes the problem. But if it didn't, what you'll need to do is go to your settings, and in your settings scroll down and then go to your app management, and then go to your app list. So just wait for a second for this section to load and for your apps to be visible on this part. So if you're using an iOS device, what you can do is go to your settings and go to your generals and go to your storage. So in your storage, go ahead and search or find the TikTok app right there. So after finding the TikTok app here on your Android, if you're using an Android, just go ahead and tap onto that and then tap onto the storage usage. So what we're going to do is to clear the data and clear the cache. So and after clearing that, you can go ahead and rerun your TikTok app, and that should fixes the problem. So if you're using an iOS device, after tapping onto your TikTok account on your storage section or your settings, you can go ahead and tap onto the upload button, upload the app, and then after uploading it, you can go ahead and reinstall the app and try launching it again. So that should fix the problem. So that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.